Elegant look, ultra comfortable fit. The Beoplay H9 third generation over-ear headphones deliver superb listening experience. The Bang & Olufsen signature sound, along with the new advanced active noise cancellation, make H9s among the top Bluetooth headphones in a luxury package. Hi guys! Welcome to another video technology series of the SpyMe channel. First we have headphones, then it came Bluetooth, and then it came active noise cancellation. And now we have wireless solution of headphones. We're going to unbox B&O H9 third generation headphones. Let's see what's inside the box. Bang & Olufsen, or B&O, is known for its high-end televisions and sound systems. It is aimed to audiophiles and people who like luxury items. I'm opening the box. Here they are, the H9 third generation headphones by Bang & Olufsen. They are made of luxury materials like sheepskin and memory foam for the ear cushions. We have anodized aluminium, genuine leather for the head strap. The build quality, I think, is excellent. And let's see what else is inside the box. Here we have all connection cables. This is the audio cord with 3.5 millimeters audio jack. This is used in case we are run out of battery and we want to continue listening to the music. And this is the charging cable, which is USB Type-C. Here we have all the literature with the user guide, etc., information about the product. And here we have a flight adapter for use in airplanes. And here is the bag, which is made of soft tissue, very nice quality, and it has the B&O label on the strap. Let's test this out. "25 hours of Bluetooth playtime with active noise cancellation, but with a non-removable battery as in the previous generation. A new bass port for deeper bass performance, transparency mode for hearing your surroundings when you need to, and a new design of the headband for more comfortable experience are among the updates of the third generation. Moreover, support for dual device connectivity, i.e. your smartphone and your laptop, is for me one of the most useful features. Fully equipped with touch controls, you can tap to answer calls, swipe to skip tracks, adjust the volume with intuitive circular gestures directly on the ear cap, and even activate Google Voice Assistant. All these features are supported by B&O's elegant app, where you can adjust sound depending your mood and type of music, create your own preference, turn ANC and transparency mode on and off, and even update the headphones firmware. If my opinion matters, I would say that these impressive headphones offer quite good sound, very comfortable use thanks to genuine materials, and an overall enjoying experience but for a high price. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to give us a thumbs up, to turn the bell on to receive notifications whenever we post a video, and to write your comments in the section below. From Athens, Greece, we hope to catch you up in the next video. Until then, please stay safe.